Well, hello everyone. Today I wanted to share a video that Blanca Pasapera did of a song that Silvia Diaram wrote. She's Intelectua on YouTube. And she had written the song and was looking for someone to sing it. Couldn't find anybody to sing it or put it to music. She knew what the music was. But we hadn't found anybody to sing it, so then I sang it first to kind of make a demo to have other people try it. And so I did the demo and sent it to Miss Blanca Pasapera. We sent it to her and encouraged her to sing it because she's an awesome singer, beautiful lady from Peru. She has her own YouTube channel called Blanca Pasapera, and she works with Mr. Cassineli, Ricardo Belmont Cassineli, RBC in Peru. And so even in Peru, they're following AMLO and they're quite impressed with him. And they're all saying, and all the Latin American countries are saying they want a president like AMLO. So this is her, Miss Blanca Pasapera, singing the song for us, so that we could play it. And then this is for the Mexican people, and she's very thankful, and she loves AMLO too, and so does Ricardo Cassineli, and a lot of people in Spain and other places in the world, France, Belgica. They're noticing AMLO around the world, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So I'm going to play it for you. Now remember, she is beautiful. Here we go.
Voy a cantarles un corrido muy ufano de un hombre bueno y muy querido por aquí. Es dirigente de todos los mexicanos, ha recorrido el territorio porque sí, el más fracado de toditos mis paisanos, al que llamamos presidente, sí señor, sabe completo los problemas sin juzgarnos, y por tarugos no supimos resolver. Vamos juntitos acabando con las mañas, la luz, el agua, los petroleos, la salud, los transportistas, policías y la gracia, que el conmigo la confianza sin cesar. Te invito a ti, querido hermano mexicano, ponme el camino a resolver la impunidad. Ponte las pilas y trabaja ya temprano, deja el saqueo y toda conformidad. Anota logros, no envidies al vecino. Si pones piedras, úsalas para construir. Tenemos viales para que ayudes, no que jodas. Este país te ha dado mucho para vivir. El presidente está contigo, sí vale. Si lo traicionas a ti mismo, dolerá. Andrés Manuel nos ha mostrado todo el vale, que el trabajo nos dará para comer. Te seguiremos todos juntos hasta el fin.
Awesome. Wasn't she great, you guys? I was so impressed with this young lady. I just had to share it. And so I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. I hope you guys get the opportunity to watch this and share it. And I can maybe sometimes send you the words to it if you want to learn and practice. And it uses the music of Juan Charrasqueado. If you want to try it on karaoke with your own voice, okay? Or you could play my video and you'll see the words, and then you can sing along, so you could try your own style. Anyway, go ahead and try singing this. Send us a sample, and you never know, we might play it online for you. Have a good day. Bye.